Hi, my name is John Dyck, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of SESME, the Smart Manufacturing Institute. I'd like to take 2 minutes and convince you that attending our Smart Manufacturing Summit, an all-virtual event in early November, might be the most important investments you make this year, at least in the context of developing your strategy for smart manufacturing. Regardless of whether you're a manufacturer, a large enterprise, a small, medium manufacturer, a systems integrator, a machine builder, a vendor, or academia. Do you get the sense that the fourth industrial revolution kind of feels a lot like the third one, that the barrier to entry in terms of cost and complexity of manufacturing systems is still far too high, that our continuous improvement and other productivity initiatives that we've invested in over the past few decades have plateaued? SESME, the Smart Manufacturing Institute, has been chartered by the federal government to address these and other fundamental challenges to create a more sustainable and competitive manufacturing environment here in the US. And this event is all about showing you, not just talking to you about what that looks like. The Smart Manufacturing Summit will span 4 days over the first 2 weeks of November, as you see here, with roughly 4 hours of content each day. We have an incredible set of sessions and speakers, each sharing vital insights that are designed to help you accelerate your smart manufacturing journey. And here's the amazing thing. This is not about any specific vendor or technology. This is about showing you how we're bringing the best ideas, innovations, and technologies together with the people that can address exactly those challenges that have historically made manufacturing systems so costly and complex, that have resulted in the mess of plant floor systems that we're living with today. So what you'll hear about and see demonstrated over the course of these 4 days is what you see here. We're talking about dramatically reducing the cost, complexity, and time to value of your manufacturing systems. We have specific training and demonstrations for small and medium manufacturers to equip them to jumpstart their smart manufacturing journey. We are focused on specific initiatives, technologies, and methodologies to eliminate data silos and pilot purgatory through standards and a vendor agnostic technology foundation that will absolutely enable interoperability, data and application interoperability for manufacturing systems. We will educate, provide significant business and technology education to upskill your workforce and talent pipeline with smart manufacturing knowledge. And last but not least, show you and engage with you to facilitate collaborative innovation to solve complex industry challenges across OT and IT, things that will help us with our competitiveness here in the US, with our energy productivity, supply chain agility, and others. This is all about accelerating the democratization of smart manufacturing. So look us up at sesmi.org, CESMII.org, and click on our event overview page. We think you'll be amazed and impressed and will want to join us for some or all of the sessions that you'll see outlined there that you can choose from and learn from as you accelerate your smart manufacturing journey. We hope to see you there.